This is feedback for Jumanah on your second draft of WR1. In general, very good. You know that you're doing a great job, and you obviously that you know a lot about writing. Just a few things to make sure you get every mark that you can. Delete this. Make sure that every major word in your title has a capital letter. Thank you for using the perfect tense. Very good job. Also, this is plural, countries, and this is rigor, not regard. I thought this sentence here, you could have wrote something like career. Academic study is important for career. And then, because then you start talking about, students need to think about their future. And so if you talk about career and then you go to future, it kind of works better than just talking about just general knowledge. From, not form. And give a transition sentence here. Instead of just saying all this stuff and then go to your thesis, say a sentence here that says, like, we're looking at all these different causes. It's important to look at the effects. Good topic sentences. Bills with a I, not an E. Make sure you use these full stops and not these commas. Throughout your paper, you're doing this a lot. So you need to pay attention to that. You're a good writer, but something like this will make any teacher automatically say, oh, she doesn't know how to write, just because you don't know how to use your full stops. Be a good idea to give an example here. After you talk about paying bills, for example, you have to pay your rent and you have to pay your own food, whereas when you're at home in Kuwait, you don't have to do these things, which as consequently, or as a result, you're having to, learn how to deal with real life stuff. And then you go into this one. In addition, you learn how to deal with real life situations, not just things. For example, getting a ticket, you have to go to court and you have to find out where court is and do all that stuff. So there's a little bit more you could do in here. You could definitely use a lot more transitions. So I would say that's something that you should definitely be using with this draft. You should have at least 4 transitions in each body paragraph. So here's one, right? So that's one. That's a good one. For example, that's a good one. Therefore, that's a good one. As a result, you already used that one. So the second body paragraph is better than the first one. You do have a couple here, but you can use some more. You definitely can use some more. Conclusion looks pretty good. I like the advice. Sounds really good. Make the changes and upload it into week 5, and also print it out bring it on Thursday.